Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 7 cup Burfi recipe, also known as 7 cup cake or 7 cup sweet, made with chickpea flour, also known as besan. This traditional Indian sweet gets its name because of the 7 cup ingredients used in the recipe. It is a perfect Diwali sweet and has a taste similar to Mysore pak. I have already shared soft ghee Mysore pak recipe. The links will be updated below this video. Another good thing about this traditional sweet is that you don't need to check sugar syrup consistency, and that makes it an easy sweet for beginners. Now you can halve the recipe if you want smaller quantities. I stick to the full recipe since I made this for my children's friends as a Diwali gift. All the ingredients are easily available and 7 cups Burfi is very easy to make at home. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 10 green cardamom. You can use half teaspoon cardamom powder instead. Pulse the cardamom and remove the skin. I'm using 240 ml measuring cup for this recipe. Add in 1 cup grated fresh coconut and pulse it once or twice and then keep it aside. Grease a slightly large plate with desi ghee and keep aside. In a large wide pan, add in 1 tablespoon melted desi ghee and add in 1 cup besan, also known as chickpea flour. Lightly roast it on low flame until a nice aroma comes. You should be careful not to let the color of the besan to turn brown. Now once the besan is roasted, add in half cup melted ghee and mix well. Make sure you break the lumps and make it into a smooth and creamy batter by just stirring it with a spatula. All through the cooking, I have kept the flame on medium-low. After about 3 minutes of stirring, you can see that ghee has started to come on top. At this stage, I am adding in 1 cup milk, 1 cup grated coconut, 3 cups organic sugar. Now, if you prefer slightly less sweet, you can use 2.5 cups of sugar. Since I am using organic sugar, it has slightly less sweetness compared to refined white sugar. So, I am using 3 cups of organic sugar. Now, mix all this well, and in about 2 minutes, it will come into a liquid state like this, and it will start to boil in about 5 minutes or so. Now keep stirring it on and off so that it does not get stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the mix starts to get slightly thick, add in the rest of the half cup ghee little by little. That is, you need to add it about 1 tablespoon at a time, and you have to keep it stirring. So I stir it with my left hand and pour the desi ghee slowly with my right hand. Allow the ghee to get incorporated into the mix. So you need to keep on mixing it really well. After about 10 minutes, this is how it looks. And as you can see, the mix has thickened slightly. In about 5 minutes, this is how it looks. After a total of 20 minutes, the mix is really thick and has started to leave the sides of the pan. Another 5 minutes later, the mix is thick and it has started to leave the sides of the pan, and if you stir it, it will come like a mass in the middle. So at this moment, you can turn off the flame and transfer the mix to the greased plate. Lightly spread it out and also level the top with the greased spoon. Sprinkle some saffron and with the back of a greased spoon, level it out again. Once it has slightly cooled down, cut it into your desired shape and allow it to cool completely. Once cooled down, enjoy this delicious 7 cup Burfi this Diwali. Share this sweet with your family and friends, and happy Diwali to all of you. So guys, do try this sweet Burfi recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.